Let's cut a melon. To cut a melon into segments, first halve the melon lengthwise. Scoop the seeds out with a spoon. Cut into quarters, then again into equal slices. Remove the peel with a knife. For cubes, you can cut the segments into pieces. To make melon balls, you'll need a melon baller or a spoon. Halve the melon lengthwise. Insert the melon baller deep into the flesh and turn all the way around. You can get most of the melon out this way. You can also simply cut the melon widthwise. This provides support and stability. You can do this with a straight or serrated knife. For a more decorative cut, use a small knife, inserting the blade diagonally into the middle of the fruit. Then, cut at a right angle to your first cut. Continue all the way around the fruit. Then, cut off the top and bottom so that the halved melon pieces are stable and won't wobble on a flat surface. Scoop out the seeds with a spoon. To make a melon bowl, remove as many melon balls as possible, and then scrape out the remaining fruit. Keep the last ½ inch intact. You can now use the hollowed halves to serve as a bowl for fruit salad. And those are some different ways to cut a melon.